Hello student, welcome back in my video. Student, this is the part 3 video of components of food. Student, in last video means video number part 2 में हमने सारे के सारे food components discuss कर लिए थे. Now today's we are going to discuss deficiency diseases. ओके तो डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ेस क्या होती हैं और देयर आर द सम डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ेस विच वी विल डिस्कस विच आर इंक्लूड इन योर सिलेबस. तो फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस कि what are the deficiency diseases. So diseases that occur due to the lack of the nutrients over a long periods are called deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases वो होती हैं which are caused due to the lack of the nutrients in our डाइट. हम जनरली जब लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम तक अपने फूड में बैलेंस डाइट नहीं लेते हैं या फूड में कोई न्यूट्रिएंट्स लैक कर जाते हैं तो हमें डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ेस हो जाती हैं. तो वन बाय वन नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. तो फर्स्ट यू कैन सी हियर deficiency disease of the protein we will discuss. So deficiency, if a person does not get enough protein in his or her food to for a long time, so what happened there is a that person having the deficiency diseases which is caused due to the protein, and this disease is called kwashiorkor disease, which is caused by the lack of the protein. Okay. So now see what are the symptoms of this disease which is caused by the protein. The abdomen of the child gets swollen and bulges out. The legs become thin. Okay, तो वो जो आपके जो डिज़ीज़ के सिम्टम होते हैं कि जो बच्चा होता है उसका या जो पर्सन होता है उसका जो एब्डोमेन होता है वो स्वॉलअप होके वो बाहर निकल आता है और जो बच्चे के लेग्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा थिन हो जाते हैं. तो sources are there, other sources are there. The stunting growth and swelling of the face, discoloration of hairs and skin diseases and diarrhea these are the symptom of the kwashiorkor disease which is caused by the protein. Now second disease is disease that is caused by the carbohydrate and protein both. If that person is not taking these both nutrients for a long period of the time, so this disease deficiency disease is occurred, and this disease is called marasmus. It is called both. जब क्या होता है जो बच्चा होता है या पर्सन होता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन बहुत लंबे टाइम के लिए वो नहीं लेता है तो उसको मैरेस्मस डिजीज़ हो जाती है. तो व्हाट हैपन इन दिस डिजीज़, द पर्सन या चाइल्ड बिकम very lean and thin and so weak that he or she may not even be able to move. Okay, उसके अलावा child becomes so thin and loose the folded of skin can be seen all over the body and ribs of the child can be seen. So you can see here, this is the picture. First picture you can see this first picture. The first picture is this is the क्वाशरकोर. आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा बेली जो उसका बच्चे का जो एब्डोमेन है इट इज़ कमिंग आउट बल्जिंग आउट एज स्वेलन बेली लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है और दिस इज़ द डिजीज़ ऑफ द मैरेस्मस. ओके, मैरेस्मस में जो बच्चे की रिब्स हैं वो दिख रही है, मतलब बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा वीक हो चुका है. दीज आर द now let's go to move. This is the chart of the deficiency diseases which are included in your syllabus. So one by one we will discuss. So first one is vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A. So vitamin A deficiency, because of this deficiency loss of vision is there. It is also called the night blindness. Okay, and the symptom of this disease are poor vision, loss of the vision in darkness and sometime completely loss of the vision. जैसे जैसे अंधेरा होता है या अंधेरे में पर्सन को नहीं दिखाई देता, एंड दिस डिजीज इज कॉज बाय द विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी. तो देन सेकंड वन इज़ विटामिन B1. तो विटामिन B1 की लैक से डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ होती है बेरी. एंड सिम्टम्स आर वीक मसल्स एंड द वेरी लिटिल एनर्जी टू वर्क. Number 3, vitamin C. Lack of the vitamin C in the food, scurvy is occur, and the symptoms are bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. The next one is vitamin D. Rickets is a deficiency disease which is caused by the vitamin D deficiency, and symptoms are bones become soft and bent. Next one is calcium. Bones and tooth decay. Symptoms are weak bones and tooth decay. Next one is iodine. Lack of the iodine, goiter disease is there. Gland in the neck appears swollen, and mental disability in the children. Last one is iron. Anemia is happen there. Anemia is occur due to the lack of the iron in food, and weakness is there. Okay, so these all are the disease. Now you can see all the deficiency disease can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. Okay, now one by one we can see the picture. First one is goiter. You can see here in the goiter what happened here. The neck region is swollen, means neck region में जो thyroid gland होती है वो swell up हो जाती है. Now see next these two disease. This is the rickets disease. You can see rickets, ये जो आपको दिख रही है. फर्स्ट में दीज आर द नॉर्मल लिम्स, एंड सेकेंड पिक्चर यहाँ पे देखो ये क्या होती है, रिकेट्स वाली जो डिजीज़ होती है उसमें पैर टेढ़े हो जाते हैं बच्चे के. नाउ सी इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज़ द स्कर्वी. स्कर्वी में जो आपके गम्स होते हैं वो स्वेलअप हो जाते हैं और उसमें ब्लीडिंग शुरू हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ end of the chapter. You can see balanced diet means if you are taking the balanced diet तो आप इन सारी deficiency diseases से बचे रहोगे. और balanced diet आपको कैसे लेनी है, you can see here chart. Most of the part means 40% part fruits and vegetables are included in this chart in the balanced diet. Fiber rich carbohydrate 25%, and protein is also the 25%, and less amount of it means 10% amount of the fats are included in this balanced diet chart. So student, I hope you understand this whole chapter. Okay, so we will meet on the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.